Traditional industrial automation is incredibly fast and terrifyingly precise, but it is also entirely blind to its surroundings. If a component starts to wear out, traditional machinery doesn't know. It will just keep grinding away at its programmed task until that part physically shatters, bringing the entire assembly line to a dead stop. Introducing artificial intelligence to solve this creates entirely new stakes. If an AI on a retail website makes a mistake, a customer gets the wrong shoe recommendation. If an AI in a factory makes a mistake, a robotic arm collides with a worker, or a chemical process boils over. To scale manufacturing safely today, we can no longer rely on rigid, unthinking machines. Production requires a proactive cyber-physical system. Imagine walking onto the floor of a connected smart factory. Every motor, conveyor, and pump is continuously generating live data. Deep inside one of the machines, a microscopic anomaly appears. It is a faint shift in the motor's vibration. Nobody on the floor can see it. No human ear could possibly hear it over the noise of the plant. Detecting that invisible physical threat and dealing with it before it tears the machine apart is the exact problem a smart factory is built to solve. The instant that vibration shifts, an industrial smart sensor bolted to the motor captures the signal and immediately triggers a local analysis. When physical safety is on the line, milliseconds matter. You cannot afford to send every sensor reading to a distant cloud server and wait for a response. Instead, the factory uses edge computing, processing the data on a local computer sitting right next to the machine. That local edge system filters out the ambient hum of the factory. It analyzes the acoustic signature of the anomaly and instantly matches it to a known problem. An internal bearing is beginning to fail. Edge computing gives the factory immediate, localized reflexes. It identifies the danger and initiates a response before human intervention is even possible. This local hardware alert travels directly to the cloud layer to integrate the single machine status with the factory's wider strategic goals. The alert enters the digital twin. This is a live, virtual simulation of the entire plant, continuously tracking every machine, worker, and supply chain schedule. The digital twin calculates that the bearing will completely fail in exactly 72 hours. It then tests thousands of virtual production schedules. It discovers a 20-minute window tomorrow morning where the machine can be paused to replace the part without delaying a single customer order. If the edge provides reflexes, the digital twin provides systemic foresight. It guarantees that solving one isolated machine problem won't accidentally starve the rest of the factory of materials. With the schedule confirmed, a digital AI agent takes over. It checks the warehouse inventory, reserves a replacement bearing, and drafts a digital repair ticket for the maintenance team. At this exact point, we hit a critical boundary. The AI agent can recommend stopping the machine tomorrow, but it is explicitly forbidden from unilaterally shutting down live physical equipment. This is known as bounded autonomy. Between the AI's recommendation and the physical motor sits a programmable logic controller, or PLC. The PLC is a hard, deterministic safeguard. It enforces non-negotiable safety limits like maximum pressure and heat, verifying every command before any steel actually moves. True smart manufacturing relies on this architectural friction. The software provides high-level insight, but it is intentionally blocked from having raw, unrestricted control over physical reality. When tomorrow's 20-minute window arrives, a human technician approaches the machine. They review the AI's diagnosis on a tablet, locate the exact bearing, and safely swap in the new component. Once the motor is back online, the edge sensor measures the new vibration profile. The anomaly is gone. That physical success is fed back into the central model, sharpening the system's ability to predict the next failure. It's easy to assume the ultimate goal of all this technology is the dark factory, a facility operating in pitch black, completely devoid of human workers. But complete algorithmic control is rarely the best way to run a business. However, ruthless, unchecked automation creates brittle systems. A facility optimized entirely by algorithms might run fast, but the moment it encounters real-world chaos, a strange material defect or a supplier delay, it fractures. Human context alone keeps the operation intact. Machines are built for scale, continuous monitoring, and flawless repetition. Humans possess ethical judgment, creative troubleshooting, and physical adaptability. The smart factory establishes a governed ecosystem where data, robots, and human operators finally speak the same language. The ultimate success of a smart factory is the creation of a connected learning system. It uses technology to give people and machines a level of resilience that neither could ever accomplish alone.